Melissa with North Carolina Cooperative Extension, Edgecombe County Center, and I'm here with Grayson, our summer intern for 2020 Summer Fun Programs. The supplies that we are going to be using have come from this kit that I purchased from Staples, but you can also get the glue and the magical liquid from other craft stores as well. So we're just using what we have in this box. It did come with 2 different colors. But the supplies we'll need are the 2.3 fluid ounces of the magical liquid, right here. It will probably not use the entire bottle. And then the 5 fluid ounces of the metallic glue. So we have pink and blue. And then we'll need a container for mixing, a mixing utensil, which we're going to use a plastic fork, and measuring spoons. And it does say that we'll need teaspoons, so we just grabbed the 1 teaspoon. Okay, so to start out, we are going to pick our color and pour the entire bottle of Elmer's glue into our mixing bowl. So, what color do you want to use?
Either one. Let's do pink.
All right, we'll do pink. Let's screw the entire lid. We are probably going to get messy, so try not to get it on your clothes. Probably should not have worn white. That's really pretty.
Yeah, make sure you shake it to get all the glue out.
Okay. We have our metallic glue all squirted out into our mixing container. We'll have Grayson add the 2 teaspoons of magical liquid.
So you're just gonna unscrew the top, and we have a teaspoon measuring spoon.
So now we're just gonna mix it a little bit. And if we need to add more of the activator magical liquid, we can. Kind of slimy. Then our instructions said we could take the slime out of the bowl and begin kneading it with both hands.
So if you want to, you can add another teaspoon after you've mixed it, and it gets a little bit thicker and a little bit easier, but you just kind of keep pulling it apart and it gets a little bit easier to work with. Oh, but your hands will still get really messy, but that's the fun part. But we added another teaspoon of liquid and it got a little bit better. So now it's starting to get thicker and easier to pull apart.
So noticing that Grayson still couldn't get the slime from sticking to her hands, we decided to add the 4th teaspoon of magical liquid to see if that would help.
So now it actually gets a little bit more goopier and stretchy. So, however, the messier you want it, you can add more of the liquid. But now, since we added 4 tablespoons of the liquid now, it gets more stretchier and breaks apart more easy. And so afterwards, I will make sure to definitely wash my hands thoroughly, because as you can see, it is very sticky, but it is very fun and satisfying to play with. So now my slime looks like this, and you can stretch it and pull it apart.
So we ended up adding a total of 4 teaspoons of the magical liquid. That made it much better consistency. As you can see, it's not sticking to Grayson's fingers quite as bad. She can even pull it apart much easier, and you can see her hands are way cleaner, and she can even use the slime to clean them when the slime sticks to itself. So if you are having the same problem, I'd suggest adding another teaspoon of the magical liquid, 1 at a time, while kneading the slime after each addition. So we learned that once you've added your 4 teaspoons of your magical liquid, your slime is not sticking to you and it's easy to pull apart, then that slime was a success.